Next. Some nitty gritty roller mop. Let's punch mop. Okay. 2 extra mop head refill. 2 refills. Okay. Out of stock. Out of stock, but we'll just run the numbers, right? So $25. $25. Selling price is 56. Yeah, so about $66. Okay, ROI is 43%.
Oh, yeah.
Sales a month. And there's 4 other sellers with this much inventory. Would you guys buy it?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. We're gonna keep it a double check, so 66. Yeah, it's pretty stable as far as the price. So yes, I agree. Free product for you guys right there. 'Cause- there. Am I going too fast, by the way, or no? Okay. Gonzalez said no. Okay. So Rubbermaid 2-quart racer rod. Rubbermaid 2-quart. Okay. Looks like the same product, right? Okay, looks good. $4.44. That was 44 cents. Okay. Selling price is about $16.90. $16.90. Okay. So 1,239 sales a month. 26% ROI. Profit's kind of low, right? $1.18. There's 16 other sellers with this much inventory. Are you guys gonna buy it? Yes or no?
I would. I mean, there's a lot of sales a month. Go back up to how many sales there are a month.
Morris said it's a no. Leslie seems like it's a no. Elaine said yes.
Well, let me see. How many? It's 1,239 sales a month. I'd say yes.
Jerry said I'd buy 5 and test it. Yeah, to me, this is gonna be good, right? At least with this data. I mean, again, it's a personal choice, but to me, this is like a lot of sales. 1,200 is a lot of sales volume.
But if we only can buy 10, so like say we buy 10, all 10 sell, then you say buy like 500 of them.
Not 500, but maybe like 20 or 30.
Um,
I mean, if you want to buy 500, you can.
I'm just asking, like, how do you to do all that clicking, like you were saying, to put it in your warehouse and put it there for $1? I can't. For
Yeah, I mean, you can. You can. That's why, again, it's a personal choice, right? Because I see what you're saying, right? Like, why would you want to click around like 10 pieces per order if you can buy wholesale, right? Yeah, I get it. I get what you're saying. Yeah.
I don't know.
Uh,
But I'm probably getting the numbers wrong. I'm thinking you're gonna get like $10.
Right.
I always
Yeah, I mean, for this product, but what if you have like 500 SKUs, right? 500 SKUs, but like 10 each, that's like 5,000 products, right? Making it like $2 each. Because they're going volume, right? So, does that make sense? But yeah, you can buy 500 though if you want, if you want to. Oh, variations. Oh no, there's no variations for this product. Here.
But I think if you buy it in bulk, you'll probably get it cheaper, so you might make even more
Right.
than $1. Yeah.
Yeah, that's true. So yeah, that's the benefit of doing wholesale. You're getting like a lower price, but then you're buying a lot of it.
Right.
So like less, like more money to be made, but also more risk, right? So next. So $2.29. Okay. So Snyder's of Hamilton. Okay. Pretzel pieces. 12 ounces, okay. 2-pack. Okay, so 2.29 times 2 is 4.6. Okay. Selling price is 20 bucks, 19.99. Variation right there. So variations, so usually get the variation, right? So cheddar cheese right there. Pack of 2, right? And then from here, I go to variations on Keepa. It's not loading though, okay. And then I look for this variation right there. So cheddar cheese, makes this one. Yeah, so cheddar cheese, right? 12 ounces, 2 bags, right there. Right? Yeah. Okay. So from here, I got the percentage of the rating. So this one is getting 5%, right? Rating. So now I would get 5% of the sales per month. So 142. Sorry. So 142 times 0.05, right? 5%. So this variation is only selling 7 times a month. Any questions about variations?
Mhm.
I know it's
No.
confusing, so
No, I'm glad you went over it though, because it is
we do it
confusing.
again.
Yeah,
Okay.
yes, please.
So for variations, it's gonna say V here, right?
Mhm.
Alerts. So I would get the exact variation or like flavor, right? Flavor or like variation.
Mhm.
So for this one, the flavor is cheddar cheese, and the size is 12 ounces, pack of 2, right? So from here, I would go to the variation tab on Keepa,
Mhm.
look for the exact variation, which is this one. So cheddar cheese, 12 ounces, pack of 2, right?
Yes.
And then from here, I would get the percentage of the ratings, which is 5% right there.
Okay.
And then from here, I would get 5% of the sales per month, which is this one. Got it?
Yeah, so they're not selling very many. Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
So 5% of 142 sales per month is 7 sales per month. Got it?
Yeah. Mhm. How many? I don't think I'd do it. How many sellers again? I don't think I'd do it.
Right. So 7 sales per month.
Mm-mm.
There's 2 other sellers with like 2 units, right?
With other variations, all right?
Right. A variation, yes. So this
So
one,
Louis, it shows 2 sellers, 2 FBA, but what about the 2 FBM sellers?
right.
How come they're not popping?
Oh, here. You can click it here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So those are FBM, but I feel like as FBA sellers, we have the edge over FBM. Because
Right,
people
right.
prefer Amazon Prime.
Okay,
Yeah. So I only look at FBA sellers personally. Yeah, this,
I don't think I would,
huh?
I don't think I would.
Yeah, so sales per month too low, right?
Yeah, yes.